Okay, here's what we got going. So we have this in the kitchen. We ran new wire that way, so we have that patch. It's already ready to just tape and float. It's light orange pill. There's a patch here on this wall, and then there's a patch here, and then there's a patch here. So in this room, we have this patch on the back wall. It's already hung, ready for tape and float and texture. And then we have one little patch back in here, because the plug would have been, or the receptacle would have been behind the casing. Wouldn't have been good. So, okay, John, and then I'll show you the two walls. So in the garage, we have this wall that we're going to go up to that wire right up there on top. So we float it from that corner to this corner. We have some drywall to hang there up top, and then floating this wall from that corner to that corner, all below the pipe and texturing it. And the painters will paint above that pipe. So that's the project. Let me know what you think. And that's one, but I got another one in, $15 million home in Newport Coast that we're running some lights in the stairwell, and we need some smooth coat drywall repair. Thank you, sir.